Hi everyone, and today I'm going to touch on 4 crucial things you need to build your email list. So the demand for online marketing tips and strategies has grown so much. And while there are companies that spend a lot of money on online advertising, there are a few ways to actually build your client base for free or at a very low cost. And that is email marketing. Hi, I'm Vanessa Choi, your marketing strategist and funnel creator. So you build your list by offering freebies to people who are interested in your offer. It can be in the form of newsletters, catalogs, cheat sheets, blueprints, ebooks, webinars, all are sent through via email. And people actually give you their email addresses in exchange for your freebies. So that's why a lot of people say money is in the list, and the more email you send and the more sales you will get. Yes, it's true, but of course, your offer has to be related to your customer and it's something that they really want. Also have to be consistent. You can't just sell graphics for Instagram one day and then maybe sell a water bottle the next day. It's not going to work. Okay, so here are the 4 crucial things you need to do to build your list. And number 1, define your target audience. You have to understand who your ideal customer is, and it will help you to tailor your freebies, your messaging, and attract the right people to your list. And then number 2, offer valuable content and provide your audience with content that is valuable, relevant, and useful. And again, this can be in the form of checklists, blog posts, ebooks, blueprints, webinars, or any types of content. So number 3, make it easy to subscribe. That's really important. Make sure that the process of subscribing to your list is simple and straightforward. Don't ask too many information that you don't need, for example, like address. A lot of people only ask for email address these days instead of first name and email address. Okay, so make sure you place a prominent opt-in form on your website or your social media channel or your blog, anywhere that you can actually put the link, you put it there. Number 4, make sure you nurture your subscribers. Once you have built your list, make sure to regularly communicate with your subscribers and continue to provide valuable content. And this will help you build a relationship with your audience and also keep them engaged. And one last extra tip is to make sure to keep a clean list and also make it private list, meaning never lose trust to your customer. If you provide email to others and, for example, like you're selling the email addresses to others and your people get spam, many will probably unsubscribe from you. So remember, a good reputation will drive you in more traffic and also subscribers and strengthen your customers' loyalty. Never sell your list to any third party. And to help you to come up with a good lead magnet, I have got a free lead magnet checklist for you. It will give you an idea of what characteristic of good lead magnets. So you click the link and you can download. That's no opt-in, okay? So just click the link and then download, and I hope you like it. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.